What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to cover a couple topics. In one, I'm going to try to go through this as quick as possible because I know a lot of you ask these questions and I just want to go through and see what I can come up with here for you. Today we're going to talk about my towels, my buckets, brushes, applicators, bottles, sprayers, stuff along those lines. So let's just start out with my buckets. I got these Ghost clear buckets from Detail Division with the Ghost clear heads, and I got the, I guess it's Carbon Collective type themed dirt locker inside. I also got the Carbon Collective buckets. Are all buckets created equal? Most of the time, yeah. I like the clear ones because it's pretty cool when you're cleaning. Dirt sealer, whatever, you know, still same thing. These buckets are all very similar. I just like the way they look. My wheel bucket, we'll go through real quick. I got the little caddy on there. Now for there, I got the Detail Firm brush, the Geon tire brush. I got these little wheel woolies from Obsessed Garage. I just picked this up. I think it's a Gilmore. Yeah, Gilmore from Amazon. It's actually really good. Oh, I was looking for that cap. That's gross. Nice. Sweet. So I got that. I even have the OG Tough Shine brush. Fucking hit my head. And then I got Lug Nut Brush. It's really the gist of what I would normally keep in there. There's not much other stuff. I got a mitt now I designated just for wheels. I got this thing for the hose that goes on the tire. Now I'm pretty big into these Incredit brushes, and also now this one, I forget where this came from. Detail Firm, yeah. Detail Firm makes this brush. They're all the same basically. I just like this one mostly because it's thinner for the low profile clearances between your brakes. I got another little lambs thing, another Tough Shine brush. This from, I believe, Adams. I don't ever use this. This goes on a drill to get into a wheel. I got the wheel woolies. I got them all over the place, actually, the wheel woolies. I got an Adams tire brush. I got this for the face of the wheels. Really nice, feels good, comfortable. And this one for the wheel wells. It's a Mother's, I believe. Yeah, Mother's for the wheel well cleaning. That's really it. I mean, there's not rocket science. In my opinion, you pick what you like to work with and you just stick with it. I go through moments where some of the stuff I love and some of the stuff I just can't stand working with anymore. I store all my stuff down here where I used to store my race fuel jugs when I had coolness factor, but this is where I keep my Lake Country 4000 pad cleaner, and I think this is a necessity if you are detailing cars. But again, who the hell am I? Don't listen to me, boys and girls. I'm just some guy on the interwebs. So I will talk about this cart real quick since it factors into the brushes and applicators section. You know, I'm not going to be posting a ton of different links. If you can't look at a label and figure it out, you can message me in the comments. Maybe I'll see it. Sometimes I don't. Well, most of the time I don't on YouTube. Or just send me a message on Instagram at HonestlyOCD. I always respond on there if you're looking for a specific something. But let's go through my cart real quick. I picked this up on Amazon. If you want the link, I can give it to you in a message. But I'm not going to be doing all that crazy editing and looking up links and posting links because I don't even trust links that much because everybody's got an affiliate link, and I'm just going to get you a link. If you want a link, you get me a link. Message me and I'll get you a link. So this cart was on Amazon. Somehow I got lucky and these storage containers just fit nicely. Let me show you what's in each storage container. These are just spare extra applicators. Now you're gonna say, oh, is that all the applicators you have? No, it's not. I have so many applicators. Depends on what they're for. Little tight spots for polishing, microfiber applicators, polishing applicators. I've got applicators for applying tire dressing, Just lots of different applicators for lots of different things. You just never know what you're going to need. Tire shine applicator here that didn't fit in the container you're about to see, which should be this one. These are my tire shine applicators. I just use those. I like those. A lot of times I will use a paintbrush. Also, what's on here? This is when I'm polishing. I want to clear out my pad. They say to use this to spread polish on there. I don't use that. I bought a icing spatula, 6-inch. It's stupid cheap. It was like $4, $5. And I use that to spread my polishes on my pads. On the sides here, again, this cart you can configure anyway. This was just a quick way to do it. I just got the cart. These are my attachments. Hello? How about you stay where you're supposed to? And okay, good boy. This goes on a drill. This is the softer one while still having some rigidity to do like carpets and stuff, floor mats. If you want these, they're pretty good. I don't use them often at all, really. Let's go down here and start with this one. These are my brushes, depending on what I need. We got, you know, here's a color lock brush and, you know, any kind of thing for leather seats or some kind of materials. I can clean them off and it fits all nice in these, and they just happen. I don't know, I didn't measure this, but they just happen to fit, and then they stacked. Then I got brushes. Like I said, if I want to apply tire shine, I won't use these. These are going to be for around the car, around the trim, inside the car, depending on it. If I want to use, I like this brush a lot for the gas pedals and brake pedals and stuff. And I got, you know, files. I don't know why I got that in here, but this is kind of cool. Turns into a big old boy, and then it can go into a small old boy. Whatever. It's just a whole little container of brushes. And like I said, it just stacks nicely. And you got over here. This is like applicator. This right here is like little thingamajigger galore. Little Q-tips. What the hell am I using that for? But I got little swabbits, is what I would call it if I was cleaning my pistolas. And I got little tiny detail brushes and paint brushes and squeegee type things, and just for little intricate spaces, that's what I do. Put the lid on wrong because the word storage wasn't facing the way I liked. And then if you have any other thing, I got a thing full of picks in here. I wouldn't use any of these brushes on much of anything, but I have them in here because if I need them for anything not detail related, at least I know where they are. So that's where they are. I got these little double-sided swabs. Now this area down here is going to be for my wet sanding section. I got little squeegees for when I'm wiping off excess stuff, and this is all my sandpaper that is that a bug? This is all my sandpaper. This is all my KXK pads, my 3M pads, my KXK sanding blocks and stuff. I want to get more sanding blocks, but I just don't do wet sanding enough on that level yet to get like Shine Doctor his set up. And then I got this. I usually fill this with water, and then that's what I use for my spraying things down with water when I'm sanding. Applicator, detail firm. Picked this up. Haven't used it yet. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited about it. I got my pressure washer hose attachments, my handles, my guns there. Those are good. Sprayers, I've got this one and this one, my big boys. So these are IK sprayers. I'm actually probably going to sell this. I got this and then used it a little while and I absolutely loved it. And then I ended up picking up this bad boy. This is a Foamit. Now, what I liked about this is you can pump it, or you can hook this thing up to an air compressor and just have constant power to it for, you know, foaming things. Obviously, we've got a plethora of guns here. things for tire cleaners. I usually use in this one. On my pressure washer, I got foams for different things. Sometimes I don't want to have to refill and do things, so sometimes I do like a pre-wash and then I'll foam again after. I just have 2 different bottles ready to go. Sometimes I don't use a pressure washer, so I have 2 different bottles for that scenario. Sometimes I use my Tornador. So I got my container filled with my solution. And speaking of my pressure washer, I've got a AR Blue Clean 630 down here, and I've got all my attachments that I put in a GoPro container, which actually worked out nice. I got all my nozzles. I try to keep them labeled like 2.5 GPM, and I know the other ones are like 2 GPM, because it does matter. It affects how much stuff's coming out of there. I got a collapsible bucket in here, and I've got side things here with my spray nozzles, many spray nozzles coming out of my hoo-ha, like depending on what I'd like, and they're carbon collected ones. I got my big wheel woolly down here. I got another thing of random stuff. When my daughter washes cars with me, she's got her own little car wash mitt that she got at AutoZone. Shout out to AutoZone. It's a good price. I've got my Neil mats here. I got my longer attachment for my pressure washer, and these are just products that I don't want to keep on my shelf anymore because I want to know, hey, use them and get rid of them so we can not have them anymore. Let's talk about microfibers. Very tough topic. I pick up bullshit bulk ones at BJ's or Costco. I have Pearl coating removal towels from Rag Company, and a lot of these things are just generic fluffy guys that I got. I don't even know where from. These are good. These are the Ninja Interior Scrub Sponges. Again, I don't know what towel's what anymore at this point. You could just look at the types of towels. Interior towels, I like these a lot. Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels for removing polishes and stuff, and just quick detail. I like that. I think these are Adams single soft like this. These might, I don't know who these are. These are Chemical Guys towels, and I know Chemical Guys makes these yellow ones that I get these on Amazon, and I just like them. Drying towels, I got a lot of Adams drying towels. I've got Geon drying towels, a lot of Gauntlet drying towels. That's called the Drago on the Rag Company. I've got regular microfiber stuff for interior. I believe those are auto fiber coating removal towels. They have the lines on them. Some waffle weave extras. This is a mitt for something. I'm not a huge fan of these fluffies. I picked these up from Rag Company, I believe. These are all my interior towels. I just use like short nap stuff so I can wipe and not have an issue. These are just extras. Even coat, more bottles to apply. God only knows what to when and where. And more extra towels. These, if I'm going to use it for rinseless wash, maybe that would be where I would go. I always like to have these lint rollers. Very useful. Like I said, Drago, that's all my drying towels up there. Now this section is all glass towels. These are Adams, I know that. These are probably the Rag Companies. These are just like regular excess towels flowing over from the other side that are Chemical Guys. And I got my squeegee. I squeegee my glass. And are these more? Yeah, these are more Rag Company towels. These are the car wash towels. I believe these are from Auto Finesse. I got them. They were going out of business on the US side, so they had a big sale. So I picked up towels I didn't need, you know, but that's just me. Just recently from the detail division, I started buying a couple Klein microfiber towels. They look like super quality. I haven't used it yet. This one right here is the dual pile microfiber 4-side, and it seems really nice. Very catchy microfiber. I'm gonna have to give it a nice wash and use it and get my opinion on it. Last couple things, I have extra sprayers up here for basically whatever. These are the Marolex. This is the 2000 Industry. This is the Axle. More IK sprayers. I like these sprayers but I did mod my other ones to get them to where I want handle-wise. I've got these spray bottles for water or whatever. One's got alcohol. It's got alcohol in it for wipe downs quickly if I don't want to have to reach for another one. I just like them because the way that they, you know, it's actually pretty good. Extra spray bottles. I've always been a fan of these with the chemical triggers on Amazon, and lately I've been picking up Shine Supply bottles. I've had way too many Quasar bottles fail on me, and I picked up regular bullshit bottles from Amazon, which have actually done me well. But like I said, if you're gonna mod your IK sprayer, I did a little video on that and I like it. It's been holding up and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But yeah, that's it. Those are my towels up there. I just showed you my buckets and whatnot. I'll probably redo and cover over the pressure washer again in the next video when I talk about my machinery. Like I got so much stuff. But yeah, that's what I have for the towels, the buckets, brushes, applicators, bottles, sprayers, whatever. Not a whole lot, but again, I'm one dude in one garage, and that's what I got. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for all the support, and I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. See you guys on the next one.